going on, YouTube? What's going on? What's going on, YouTube? What's going on? Don't this seem like an 80s video with this background? Look at my shirt. 80s. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really exciting for you. If you watched my last video, I talked about how I had multiple interviews for jobs that I never applied to through LinkedIn. Multiple jobs that I did not apply to.
She did that.
So today, I'm going to be telling you what I believe are the 3 most important things that you can do to optimize your LinkedIn profile to attract recruiters and potential employers like magnets. Using these tips, you can stand out from the crowd and unlock exciting career opportunities. But that's not all. Make sure you watch until the end so you can find out how to get my exclusive ebook with done-for-you industry-specific examples. So let's get into it. So the first tip is your headline. This is like your virtual handshake. It's your first impression. It needs to be catchy yet concise so that recruiters can't resist clicking on your profile. A compelling headline must include your expertise, skills, and career aspirations. For example, marketing guru, driving results and growth through data-driven strategy, SEO and content marketing expert. And please, for the love of everything good on LinkedIn, take out aspiring. If you don't believe it, nobody else will. Tip number 2, an engaging summary. This is your time to shine. You want to write an engaging summary that showcases your unique value and accomplishments. Keep it concise, around 200 words, but highlight your experience, skills, and passion for the industry. Moving on to step number 3, this is your secret sauce. Quantifiable accomplishments. Recruiters love numbers and results, right? So give it to them. They're always looking for that unicorn. Don't just list your responsibilities on those bullets. Share your achievements using numbers. For instance, you can mention how you increase sales by 30% or increase customer satisfaction by 90%, or even how you save time, because we know what? Time is money. That's right. Now, I know I said I had 3 tips, but I'm gonna give you one more because I like y'all. And I think that this is really important to note. My ebook has 10 tips. And did I say they had examples? They do. Okay. And the next tip is, drum roll, keyword optimization. Keywords help recruiters find you in searches. You want to research industry-specific keywords and make sure that you incorporate those keywords in your profile. So you want to make sure you have it in your summary. You definitely want to make sure that your jobs, when you're listing achievements or other things that you include for each role that you have, that you're using the keywords that are specific to that industry, especially in the skills and job title. This will boost your visibility and relevance on LinkedIn. Interacting with the platform more, scrolling, looking around, helps you come up more in searches. So you literally have to be in it to win it. So now I'm going to give you some examples of how to showcase your accomplishments in a few different industries that I'm just using for an example. So the first, let's say you're in marketing. If you're in marketing, you can showcase achievements like driving traffic to a specific website, boosting social media engagement, or achieving impressive ROI. Okay, so you're not in marketing, maybe you're in real estate. So for my real estate professionals, you want to highlight closed deals, satisfied customers, or selling properties above market value. Those type of things can make you stand out. Okay, so let's say maybe you're just starting out. What'd you say? Aaliyah, I don't work in marketing or real estate. I work in fast food. I got you. You can showcase your accomplishments like improve sales, reduce wait time, because again, time is money, or how you were part of a successful marketing campaign. Another example might be if you work in a call center. So you could showcase accomplishments like customer satisfaction rates, reduce call times, and team leadership. Let's say you're in entry-level sales. You could showcase things like exceeding sales targets, generating revenue, or receiving positive customer feedback. Okay, so maybe you're saying, Aaliyah, I've done none of these things. I've been a stay-at-home parent for the last 5 years. I got examples for you too. You can showcase your transferable skills like multitasking, communication, and problem solving, scheduling. I've included specific examples in more detail in my ebook. You made it to the end. Congratulations. Thank you so much. To get my exclusive ebook with industry-specific examples of the tips that I gave today, make sure that you click the link in my bio. This ebook is a game changer. It has really been helpful for me, and I know that it can do the same thing for you, and it's really inexpensive. I really wanted to add value and help people who may be struggling in this area. Now, there might be some people that say, why would I buy it from you? I could just go search for it on the internet. Well, you don't have to go searching a whole bunch of different places because I compiled all the information for you. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Remember to grab my ebook and use these tips to optimize your LinkedIn profile to attract recruiters and hopefully land your dream job. Some simple and free ways that you can support me. You can like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You can hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And I'll see you in the next video.
She did that.